Here's my train. Here's my two trains. See? And then, okay, here we go. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. Sorry about that. There we go. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. There we go. Here's my train. This is LPG. It can't die. Here we go. Sorry. Oops. A second. Let me put this over here. Here's the train. Okay, there we go. Let's try the different angle. There we go. Here's my train. Hold on. Let me get a better view of it. There we go. Okay. There we go. There's the trains. There we go. Hold on. Wait, that's close. Hold on, let me, oh, sorry. Let me get the car out of the way. There we go. There we go. There's a perfect view, almost. I think that's a good view right there. Sorry for the plants are in the way. There we go. Now I promise to show you guys the rush hour crossing sign. The second slice. Alright, anyways, here's that. That's what I was thinking about putting it on a port on staying back there. There's the train. Pretty cool, huh? I have two trains, so I can throw something. There we go. Here's my other train that's dead because it doesn't run anymore. Hold on, let me throw something else. There we go. Sorry, I got this chair and I have to throw stuff. And it's back to the train. Here's the train. Super loud. Yeah. Sorry, that's our neighbors across the street with the horn. That's screaming. Wow, we didn't get that many. Back to the trains. There you go. Ignore the plan, please, because I know it's kind of silly, but that's okay. There you go. Alright, let me just go show you the guys that are crossing sign. Hold on, bear with me. Here's the train, so I gotta stop the train. Number two. Number one is about to get crash, so now I have to fix this locomotive. Okay. Yep. To put it on the straight track. There we go. Tray meet. There you go. Tray meet. Alright, then here's the tracks over there. Here's my chair right there. Alright, let me go show you this. Alright. What time is it? 12:44 p.m. Very quickly before my phone was locked. Let me show you that we're crossing. We're sure we're crossing. Just a second. Okay. Here's the back of the tracks. Right there. Wait, can you see? No, you can't. Hold on. Let me do this. Oops, that's a bad one. Okay, let me get my phone out of the way. Hold on. Here's the tracks. And then, I know that people don't like trains, but there's our car. Alright. Alright, let me show you the Rochelle crossing sign real quickly. Alright, here we go. Back plate gym, the ultimate thing. Why I got into trains. It's this. Hold on. Here you go. Wait, hold on. Let me take some few steps back. Whoop. That doesn't have to happen. That was kind of funny. Alright, let me take some few backspace back. Here's the Rochelle. Here we go. Oops, sorry. Here's the Rochelle crossing sign right there. Right there. And you think that's it. Alright, so that's it. Alright, now to show you the downstairs again. Real quickly. Or actually show you my wooden layout. I also have Tom's layout, so I forgot to tell you guys about that. Okay. Hi, Dad. Alright, here's my wooden train box. Here's wooden trains right here all over the ground. Here's my DVD stuff, a lot of big trains. And then this is the downstairs trains. Okay, let me turn the light on, hold on. Going back to the try room again, part 8. This is for kids, also for adults. Okay, here's my signs. Here's my train layout again. See? And then this is my chair. There's the blood cards, nothing wrong on the HO layout. Hold on, let me turn on the light. We're gonna run this train later. Here's a gang car. Here's my train over here. Alright, and then here's the door. Oh wait, hold on, that's locked. Here's my train clocks. Here's the 44 down here. Hold on, let me move some stuff. A second. Here's my goggles right there. Here's an empty train box right here. It goes down there. And then here's, oops, sorry. Another empty box. Oh, and then here's my freight cars. Right there. Hold on. Let me grab them out. Okay. Let me get my 844 out. Okay, here are my box cars. Which I need to set them out. Hold on, let me, ooh, that works. Almost. Here's that box car. Here's this one. Okay. See? And then what I'm gonna do is put it down gently. I'm actually gonna couple this up. I'm gonna try to. There we go. And then I'll get my last box car. It's a Southern. Kind of like on the railroad. I got this one in Chicago and Namaha. See? It's just Southern right there. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let me put down my phone on top of a track. Just a second, bear with me. Ooh, I can do this. Yeah, enjoy that. Bear with me, guys. Sorry. Actually, let me put it down on the tracks. Hold on. Actually, let me stand you up one side of the passenger car. There we go. Perfect. Sorry, I had to fix this wheel. Yay, I got it. Got it in. Alright, where's my phone? Okay. Here's my car. And there are the cars. Two of them from that's like a Lionel. Here's this. And then here's my steam engine at Chalma. Here's Chalma, Mexico right there. Here's Lionel Lines. Freight caboose car. 2 cabooses at the Diamond. Right there. Here's my Diamond right here. Okay. And then here's the switchback. Here are my empty boxes. Okay, then I need to put this one down here. Okay. Here's my grab bags, and then, which I need to put down here. And then here's the 844. Hold on, let me put my grab bags up there. Okay, let me put my grab bags. This one is not going to stay. Let me put this one up here, so it will stay. And then there's my 844. Hold on, let me get the cones out. Sorry about that. I was working on layout, so let me get the cones out of the way. Here's my 844 right here. Oop, that's gonna collapse soon. Hold on, let me put this down here. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, actually I gotta set this down here, sorry. Okay, let me put these right here. 2 of them. Here's my 844 box. Ugh. As you can see, it's really super duper heavy. Ugh. So I gotta be careful. Alright, let me get it open. Well, I'm not gonna open it up yet. But yeah, whatever. Alright, so here it is. Oh, sorry. Let me get the box out. There you go. Sorry, I have to kick it like a circle ball. There you go. Oops, sorry. Sorry, this is in the way. Oops, this is gonna fall off sooner or later. Ish. There we go. There we go. Yes. There we go.